welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle. Today we're going to be collaborating with EBIN New York's products, and girl, let me tell you, something about these is just amazing. They sent me a whole bunch of products, which is so freaking nice. I really appreciate you guys for that, and I'm going to show you guys how I came up with these edges today. I've been getting a few requests on how to do my edges. I don't even think I did them that well today. There's a few flyaways. But I don't really care if like a messy look, because that's what I kind of tend to go for, even though it looks super like designed, I guess. It looks like I tried really hard with these. But anyway, if they get messed up, it doesn't really matter because they still flow in a cute little way, if that makes sense. So in today's video, I'm going to be using 3 products. I'm using their hair oil. Here it is. And this is with Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil. This is really lightweight and I really do like it. Like, the applicator is super easy. It smells pretty good. Like, I really like it. And then I'm going to be using their edge control for my edges, which is the 24-hour edge tamer in the scent Jamaican coconut. It smells really good. I smell like coconut a lot, which is nice. And I also like how I don't get any flaking or anything like that, so it lays down my edges really well. Then this is probably one of my favorite products out of, sorry, the lighting is really bad, but I show these also later. This is one of my favorite products that they sent me. It's the leave-in conditioner. Now this is super lightweight as well, but it smells super good. It's silicone free, sulfate free, paraben, and that other word, free. I apply it to my scalp because we're going to be doing some scalp care in today's video as well. So we're going to be conditioning our scalp, oiling our scalp, and then we're doing our edges. So I think it's really important that we take care of our scalps, because if you have a scalp like mine, I have a really dry, flaky scalp, and it's really bad because it's winter time. So I'm really thankful to have received this, especially right now, because my scalp is going to get taken care of. So I'm really grateful. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial of how to do these edges and take care of our scalp. So I'm just going in with the leave-in conditioner, and again, it's super lightweight, super just absorbing, and I really do love how it smells as well. And to show y'all proof, I do have a flaky scalp. The crazy thing is my scalp was so clean. It's just always super dry, and I don't know why. And you know what, we gonna figure it out though, but I don't have the answers today. But yeah, so I really am loving this leave-in conditioner. So now we're gonna move on to the edges, and honestly my regimen has stayed the same for about 5 years. I always rely on some form of gel. Usually it's Eco Styler, and it is either the clear one or the argan oil red top gel. And I just go over this as my base. This is what I'm doing to shape my edges. Now I will point out that I used to trim my edges, but as time just passed, I haven't trimmed my edges probably in like maybe a year or so. And I'm mainly talking about the part in the middle of my head. But yeah. So anyway, I just apply some gel, a little bit to my edges just to give it some shape. And I'm trying to be an artist here. I don't understand why, but you know. The best way I can explain it is to like take your toothbrush. This is from the Dollar Tree, and you basically brush your edges and follow with your finger. Smoothing is key to having laid edges. But honestly, I don't really care to have laid edges like that. As long as it's laid the first 5 hours of the day, I'm good, because if it does get a little messed up or I get a little sweaty or something, it still looks cute in the messy way, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I just also formed like a little swirly in the middle, and then I do my little regular swoops on the sides. So now I'm going in with EBIN New York's Jamaican Coconut Edge Tamer. And this is for when I do want a sleek look all day. And honey, it gave that to me, let me tell you. And it smells really good as well. So I just take a little bit and I rub it over the parts that I'd already shaped. And then I'm just going to take my double-sided, or what do you call that? It's the edge brush, the pink one. And I love to go in with the comb first to redo the shape, and then I go in with the brush because that smooths it over completely. So you'll watch shortly. So now to complete my edges, I'm just gonna be tying it down with a silk satin scarf, and I'm gonna do this for about 10 minutes, 5 at the least, but as long as you can, we'll make it as slick as possible. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna oil my scalp. I'm basically having my boyfriend trying to do it, but I was showing him how to do it in the first couple of clips, so we'll see. So yeah, side note, it basically just didn't work out. As you can see, he was just playing around by moving my hair like that, y'all. And then he had dropped a drip of oil on my neck. So yeah, that was a done deal. I ended up doing it myself, so yeah. But now time comes to where it's time to take off our scarf and do the edges reveal. And it comes out really, really cute. I really, really love it.